What is Agile? Where it came from? Here is half a paragraph from our latest work. Um, I'm gonna reading it. I'm gonna read it very quickly. So, dating back to the 1990s, Agile methods first appeared as an innovative approach for software development. These emerging practices were formalized following the birth of the manifesto in 2001. In software development projects, Agile methods are a best practice approach, and it's claimed that more software organizations were using Agile processes than traditional process by as early as 2009. The rise of Agile methods in software development space has taken place alongside the rise of software in every aspect of work. Agile methods have increasingly been adopted as a project management approach in a range of project types and industries outside software. So you can see on the right side, the graph here shows a trend of increasing attention from academia and researchers on Agile project management over the past 15 years, which kind of indicates its importance. So again, let's look at these four main values of from the Agile manifesto. On the left are the original four values announced in the manifesto, which are first, individuals and interactions over process and tools, focusing on working software over comprehensive documentation, value customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and focusing on responding to change or following a set plan. As you can sense, this is quite software related. On the right-hand side is the Association for Project Management's version of Agile projects methods. The main difference here is the second one. So it's changed from working software to working solution, which brought Agile out of the limits of software development scenarios and can be more widely applied to other types of projects. In my personal view, the keywords of being Agile are flexibility, responsiveness, and adaptability, which can be achieved through various techniques and tools. There are also 12 Agile principles. I'm not going to read through today, as the core ideas are already covered by the four values. And this old version of principles are very much software focused instead of being suitable for other types of projects. The surrounding colorful logos to make my slide looks prettier, and the signs are names of programs and accreditation bodies you may come across if you go down the Agile route. So what are we talking about when we talk about Agile? As shown on the screen, there are different explanations or definitions from different academics trying to define what Agile is. For such a newly emerging approach and phenomena, academics' descriptions of Agile varies. There are different understandings and different recognitions, some of which might not agree with each other. But this kind of shows why our research is essential and why your interest into Agile might help to make a difference. As Conforto 2006 points out, the understanding of Agile in project management domain is, in quotation marks, inconsistent, incomplete, and lack clarity. So the main ideas we can extract from various academic discussions is that Agile is considered a set of flexible techniques. Being Agile means responding to changing needs in an efficient way. And Agile approach centers on working and learning from customers. And the last one is the core assumption of Agile is that innovation is not linear.